Hello, this is Clint with my good friend Tim Bennett. Say hi, Tim,
Hi, Clinton. Good to
and
be here.
welcome to another coffee with Clint and Tim. And today we're going to talk very briefly about the start here, kind of an expansion on our recent video about what is ITB. And what I want to do is bring to your attention over on the left-hand side. There's a Start Here button that opens into a drop-down menu. You can see a big picture how it works, a guided tour map, a whitelist, and then kind of some directions on what's next for you. Each of those give you a different perspective on what we're doing. And one of the most valuable things you can do, folks, in any program, particularly Infinity Traffic Boost, wander around, read a little bit here, learn a bit over there, ask a question in our Telegram or Facebook group. We'll post some questions here in the on the YouTube channel. Tim, you often do that, don't you? When you join a program, you'll poke around a little bit.
Absolutely. I think it's one of the easiest ways to discover what's going on, and you won't break anything. Just don't click on the delete account button. But other than that, just be brave enough to go and say, "What's this? What's this? What's this?" And that's one of the quickest ways to learn.
Exactly. And one of the things that really helps too is that, if you have joined Infinity Traffic Boost to perhaps make a few Satoshi or a few Bitcoin in commissions, knowing the site is a great value to you. If you're not really wanting to be in the deep dive mode of referring and such, rest assured that we're here to help your community to succeed, which means the potential for income for you too. But learning the community, learning the nuances, and folks, don't forget, we're 9 years old, and there are a lot of things here that we're going to be sharing with you that are really, really fun. On that note, I want to bring your attention to the whitelist. Now, you might say, what in the world is that? We strongly recommend that you use a Gmail address. All right. For just a whole lot of reasons, you're going to have a lot less spam problems, etc. But most important is that there's a very simple way for you to tell Google, Gmail, to never send our emails to spam. Okay. And just by clicking on the whitelist, you can see how to do that. It's very, very smart. Make sure you do this. Make sure your team does this. That way our communications can get to you. And the fun part is our communications are, dates about webinars, but more importantly, referral information when you get a new referral or notifications about commissions. Those are always fun. You enjoy getting commission notifications, don't you, Tim?
Oh, absolutely. It's the best part of my day.
Wonderful. Well, again, our goal here is to make sure that we help you understand every little nook and cranny of our community. And today's topic was the Start Here. And like I said, we're going to be doing these, try and keep them under 5 minutes. And anything else I missed there, Tim?
No, I think it's good. And I mean, people might wonder why we're talking about such a simple topic as getting started, but you'd be amazed at how many people come into, for example, the Telegram group and say, "What is ITB about?" and "What do I do?" Now you know what to do. Click on the Getting Started button.
Absolutely. Kind of the best place to start is at the beginning.
Right.
Anyway, I want to thank everybody for coming in, and we do appreciate it. And any last minute thoughts, Tim?
Get started.
There we go. I love it. Thanks, everybody. Have a good one. And we'll see you on the next coffee chat with Clint and Tim.